So today is Saturday. I just finished singing the national anthem, and then I hopped on my scooter and drove all the way down here to the big end. I'm going to try to get some shoot shots for round one. Here is where I will be. It's past the finish line. The PA system isn't super good here, so I brought my iPad down. I'm going to set it up on the live so I can hear what's going on, who won, because I can't see wind lights or anything. I will set my camera up so you guys can kind of see what I see, both from my view and the other way, so you'll see some pretty cool stuff. But other than that, it's a little warm today. It was supposed to rain, and knock wood, it has not. So we are ready to get racing going for round one. Enjoy. So there's a little bit of cleanup happening down at the starting line. I guess something happened in the burnout box, so they're cleaning up. So this is the downside of kind of being out of the way. So like I said, I do watch the live usually. So I have it up right now on my iPad, and I'm just kind of interacting with the chat to pass the time. Luckily the sun is not beating down on me right now. The clouds are out and a little bit of a breeze, which is nice. So just kind of have to hang around until the cleanup is done, and then start back up. So again, downside of kind of being out here in the middle of nowhere. And of course I forgot water with me today, so I'm just kind of hanging and waiting for everything to start back up. And I'm pretty sure the next thing that's happening is they're going to finish Little Gangsters, and then they are going to start back up with the Outlaw 32. So hang on in with me. So Outlaw 32 is happening right now, and it's raining down here on the big end, but they're still running everything. So not sure if they're gonna stop us at any point, but I'm getting rained on down here. So that kind of puts the track a little sketchy for the drivers down at the big end, even though they're going slower, but we'll see what's going on. But I'm going to take some photos. I think Cole Pez is about to go down, and I'm not sure who he is actually running against right now, but I'll angle you guys so you can kind of see them as they go past me with their chutes out, which to me is still just badass. I think shoot shots are probably one of my favorites to shoot, and I always try to do it first round so I can try to get everybody. So can't really see much. If I zoom in on my camera, I can kind of see the lights. So Lopez and Scott Taylor that just went past me. And Scott took the win. So Sean and Kai just did their burnout. I don't know if you can see behind me. Cole is stuck. No, I think it's actually Scott Taylor. He's stuck down at the big end. So they just did their burnouts and they stopped everybody to try to get Scott off of the track, and then they'll be able to start back up and do their run.
You guys know for sure Sean did not sell Billy his car. That's right. That's right.
We got to Beach Bend and it is pouring more rain. I am soaking wet as we were trying to get our bags in the Mini and head to our Airbnb. So that's cool. But we're here. We are ready for this $100,000 race. And I'm ready to take some photos of some badass small tire cars that I haven't seen some of them in person and watched them run. So I'm super excited to get photos of them and get some new photos and content out to you guys. So let's do this. Holy shit. This is the Airbnb we're staying at, you guys. And look what just happened.
It's rowdy around here. This tree just fell down at this house. Like it hit the house, shook it. That one over there fell. Oh, it broke off of that tree. Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Man. Sean got his tail in his cry.
So we showed you guys the storm last night and what had happened. Well, this is the aftermath of it all. This tree literally split down the middle. It's freaking wild. These two trees uprooted. I'm gonna put a picture of me next to the uproot later because you can't understand how tall that is. This tree fell over. This tree fell over. And this is the side of the house it landed on. Luckily, it's just kind of leaning up against it. But that storm was wild. I don't know if it was a tornado. I don't think it was. But obviously, the winds are crazy. We drove to get some coffee this morning and there was trees down everywhere, power lines down. It's wild in Bowling Green. So we are at the house here at Beach Bend. It is Thursday night and we're having a cookout. Aaron and Sean went and had dinner by themselves. So we've got Ben and Billy, Ben's daughter Avon, we've got Aiden and Morgan here. So Phantom is out back and he's cooking some steaks for everybody. So we're just gonna have a good old 187 Customs cookout for the night.
Oh,
4 tries.
Terrible.
5 tries. Now Aiden gets 5 tries.
You go, when you 5 tries? What? No,
I just did 5 tries.
Until you got it, and then it'd be.
No.
Nope.
Oh, you only get 5? Alright.
Oh,
Alright,
1.
That's my first time, alright guys?
One.
Figure it out.
That's what she brought. 2, 3,
That does not count.
Yes, it was. It left your hand.
That doesn't matter.
3,
Right here.
4,
You just want power.
5,
My turn.
6,
Okay.
1, 2. Oh, she's getting closer than you guys.
Oh.
3, 4.
Bro.
Oh! She messed both of you guys up, man.
We wouldn't watch.
How many tries do we think we can do it? Or I can do it?
We got a perfect
I get
limit
3.
for it.
Hey, stop.
Come in.
I didn't make fun of you guys.
No, but you hit the wall.
That's 3.
That was 3.
Yep.
4,
Nope.
5.
Yeah, look at the first one. Look, you gotta play.
It goes the
goes
way
to the
you
right.
did
Oh,
it
never
on.
mind. I'm holding this.
No, you can't. Oh, God. You don't want to know?
Oh, wait.
How does she not gonna help you?
Oh my goodness.
Fucking picked it up. Thanks for laying your
What
cards out.
happens when you get a bunch of people that are competitive playing a game?
This.
It cannot go bad.
Literally this.
I said, hey, you asked Billy. I said, now that fan put your steak on, went inside, took a nap, watched a movie, came out, got your steak. Oh, was it on already? Oh, I meant. You see that?
1, 2.
All right, we'll let you go then.
Then your turn.
I haven't done my body weight in 5 minutes. I'll be honest.
Please don't put holes in the wall.
Really make me want to be like half as good as you.
Your mind doesn't want you to get upside down.
Wish that we could figure out how that would get the actual car.
Did you
Oh!
You said as seen here.
Like,
I mean, some stickers and his Soccer Outlaws and.
Oh, gosh.
I'd call that 1.
That was
That was
1.
one.
Yeah.
The walk off, he was pretty good at it. He could like run across the gym floor.
That's good balance and core. Right there. Oh, my shoulders are gonna feel great tomorrow. Come on, girl, you're half my age, a third my age.
He's gonna be crying in the morning. So you gotta start normal and
Yeah.
go wide, right? Look at my face.
Oh!
Oh!
Good job, Ben.
Yeah. I'll kick you in the face.
Flip her over.
Grasshopper, say long and no fall. Sorry.
So it is Friday here at Bowling Green. We're at the starting line-ish. I'm sitting with Kayla, and I'm taking some photos. Let's do this small tire shit. that time that we only had the 55 as a car to get back to the Airbnb. Yep, that was this time. So good news, it has a back seat. So we will see how this goes. Ben is 6'2", 3". So he's sitting in the back. And I'm gonna hop in front with Phantom, and we're gonna ride the 55 back to our Airbnb. Well, we're on day 462 of Beach Bend. Last night got rained out. It started raining at about 5 o'clock, and we thought we were going to get in the other rounds, but unfortunately that was not the case. They wound up calling the race at about 9 o'clock. They really thought they were gonna get the track dry, but unfortunately it was just so wet and it was just not safe. So they called the race. So it is now Sunday. We're here. They are running round 3 of small tire, and they are running the second chance race, which has 17 drivers for I think $3,400. My camera, unfortunately, is completely fogged up on the inside, so it's a little hard for me to shoot right now. I'm trying to take some pictures on my phone and stuff, so I will get you guys pictures as well. So enjoy some of the races, and let's see who takes this home. All right, so we are down here at the finish line for the semifinals. We are watching Dave and Scott battle it out to see who's going to the finals here at Beach Bend. So let's see. So right after you guys saw the race between Dave and Scott, we hopped on the road. I think it was about 3 or 4 o'clock, and it's about 10-ish hours, and that's without stopping to get home. And we had to switch cars, get everything situated with Blue to get loaded back up for Flying H for the Midwest Drag Racing Series. So the sooner we got home, the better. So we drove straight through. We got home at about 3:30 in the morning, and the boys kind of went straight to work the next day. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep you guys with me on my journey of behind the scenes. I know I missed it kind of a lot for this first video, so I'll try to do better with the next one. But I'm also gonna keep this YouTube page just kind of a little bit more about me as well. Everybody knows about my breast cancer journey and things like that. So this page will be kind of a little bit of a mishmash of everything. So if there's anything you guys want to see or don't want to see, feel free to let me know in the comments below. But if you've made it to this part of the video, I appreciate you guys watching. And I guess stick around for the next one, and hopefully I can bring you guys some more content that's maybe better than this first one. I just kind of tried to throw something together and see if it would even work. So I appreciate everybody who's watched, liked, whatever. Just thanks for sticking with me. Appreciate y'all.